Hello YouTube, we're back again. Managed to fix the door. Nothing was taken. Did ring the police. Apparently there are some more break-ins up round that way. But let's pick some more beetroot. Still haven't done much. Still needs a bit of work doing. Might go down and get me wildlife cameras down there behind the shed. So I might put it up here, facing the shed. Just behind the greenhouse. Where it's a bit windy. Yeah, so all good. All good, YouTube. Got some sprouts coming up. Lovely. Can't complain. Can't complain anyway, YouTube. I shall see you soon.